how to fix Hotmail login error, password incorrect. So if your Microsoft Hotmail says login error and that password is incorrect, you could use the Hotmail or the Outlook app, or you could open your browser, go to hotmail.com, which will redirect you to Outlook's own website, which is also a product from Microsoft. So Outlook and Hotmail are both essentially the same type of addresses. Once you're here, what you want to do is make sure to click on the sign in button located at the very top right hand side of the screen. So just click on the sign in button, and as and when you go to sign in, first of all you enter your email normally, click on the next option. When given to ask to enter a password, if you forgot your password, well, just click on the option called forgot your password. Now in that case, you'll have multiple ways to verify. You can enter the code generated by your authenticator app, or you can use a different option to use your recovery email in this case. And under this recovery email, you can enter them. It will send a code to your recovery email, and once you verify the code, you'll be able to choose a new password without having to remember your old password. And this way you'll be able to fix the incorrect password error. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.